we go put you for social media. Your village people go see you. Your village people go see you. No say na criminal you be for Enugu town. They carry all the battery wey dey for Enugu, and they carry people car. That's why they do am. You go tell us your gang now where they work with. Or tell us as sure as you open the person car, carry the battery. Open the car.
This young couple knows good, right?
The other hand.
Put them for this other hand.
Put them for the other hand.
Watch more.
You go video ram.
The video na
Fine.
show us as you dey. Na so in the open during the day. So he took these steps during the day.
So that guy Abiaro. I'm a peg up you. Don't open now.
Come on the battery now. Continue.
Continue.
Continue. Open the car. Come on the battery. Sharp now. As you dey do. Person wey lock car like this go dey pray say car don dey locked. Come on the battery. Fast now. Fast.
So I say it's time to come out.
So
He enter under. He never touch under.
Go ahead. And you are doing it small because you did this thing within 2-3 minutes. Before I could come downstairs, you are already out with the battery.
Okay,
He was moving out majestically. Go ahead. Continue now. Come out the battery now. Not be your battery. Come out and close the motor. They go with them. Come out and completely. See as they do on small. Now you close the boot now. Close the bonnet. As you now, so you go start afresh now. No be so. Complete the work. So the person go there confused when come. The owner go there confused. Close them. Now so they leave them. They go. And so now no be so. I carry the battery. Carry and go, come back again. Maybe put them. They fast now, they do something. Carry the battery, they go. Carry and reach there, come back, come put them again. Carry and they go. Now so. Majestically. Carry and they go. Carry and they go now. Abba. Now so. Person battery, where the person suffer by. Now he carry they go so. Or I carry and they come back. Go put them again for me as I catch you. Fast. Go put them again. My own car for that matter. This afternoon, if not for my camera, I will not see this guy. He don't carry and they go already. Now, will not be safe for night. Before I could open my gate, come downstairs, he don't carry and they go. They go. I rush him. He come the run. I come back. Go carry my long gun. Pursue him no way until we reach that church side. Now there, people come they help me. They shout. I can't release one fire shot for air. Now they come begin. They follow me. They catch him. And so I catch this man. Come put them for boot. Can I put them back? Those boys they would have killed him. If you see the beating, they what they want to give him. No. If they beat him, it will be like say we just messed him up. I put them back fast now. This one is dey slow now, but the time we carry this bag, it will take you 3 minutes. Now they do small.
I will tell you.
The fast now, you know as you do them fast. See them up to 4 minutes, you see they do them, but you did this thing within 2 minutes. You don't carry the battery, they go.
That battery knows. And when you say if you the battery, you didn't say no.